That's a fucking lot of gas.
You need to go start?
But there's a lot of gas on my truck.
I have maybe one line broken.
You want to check? Hold this. And at the same time, check. Make sure you got no gas on you.
Okay. Hold on. I got it.
What happened?
Right here. It's up for the gas. You sure not have one more line? Look,
No.
let me go restart.
No, it's supposed to come gas. Whoa.
You see?
Whoa. I can't go home like this. I can't go home like this.
No.
It's not supposed to come gas from there.
But who's that? That's supposed to be for the...
Nothing. It's supposed to be nothing. Here, I got the same hole here. See? I got one here. It's the same hole, but the gas is coming like this. See? It's coming from here. There's the line right here, and it circulates and into the carburetor. But I don't know why it's coming like that. Something broke. No possible. That's not good.
No.
This is not good. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck in New Jersey. How do you expect me to be? Smiling, wear my suit, have a glass of wine, and cheers to the mechanic?
I go uptown, New York. Right
Where?
now.
Hotel?
Uptown, New York, Manhattan.